Introducing Soul Shine in Emerald Isle. A luxurious 6-bedroom, 6-bath home offering breathtaking water views of the Ocean and Bogue Sound. This stunning reverse floor plan encompasses multiple decks, creating the perfect outdoor conversation spaces for all your guests. The top floor features a gourmet kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, seamlessly connecting to the dining room and an open-concept living room. Vaulted ceilings and expansive water views set the stage for memorable gatherings and elegant dinner parties. The master suite with a full bath and soaker tub provides convenient living all on one level. The second level provides 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths, with multiple access points to the outdoor decks. This home makes enjoying your morning coffee watching the water or evening cold beverage watching the sunset. The first floor is designed for staycation-style entertainment, featuring a media room, billiard room with a refrigerator, granite countertop wet bar, second laundry, and a bedroom with ensuite bath. Access the pool and hot tub with ease. 3-stop elevator will get bags and groceries upstairs. Outside, the pool offers a great relaxation zone. Hot tub on the covered deck offers stunning views for year-round enjoyment. Embrace the coastal lifestyle and indulge in the ultimate luxury living experience at Soul Shine. The public beach access and essential shopping conveniently located within 1 block. Just add water to your lifestyle.